Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I'm able to accomplish a high ponytail, a mid ponytail, and a low ponytail. This was a video that was actually requested, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. It'll be real quick. So if you're a subscriber of mine, you're aware that I love to do my hair while it's damp because I feel like it moisturizes my hair. It allows me to detangle with no problem, and it also gets those products moving. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay guys, now it's time to moisturize. I'm using my Long & Luxe Curl Enhancing Smoothie, obviously because I felt like my hair needed a little bit more moisture, so I'm using this on my ends, and whatever was left over I just rubbed it throughout my hair. I'm also adding my Eco Flaxseed and Black Castor, is that the name of it? I just call it flaxseed. But yeah, I absolutely love this gel. You guys know how much I love it. It's just so bomb. My hair loves it. It just drinks it right on up and it slicks it right on up. I just love it. So yeah, I'm using that. I'm just slicking that ponytail up right now. No issue, as you guys can see. And now I'm going to rub through that ponytail just a tad bit. We're going to lift it up. We're going to twist the end. We're going to pull it down, tuck, pin. That's it. That's just how simple this is. I throw this ponytail up here all the time, well, this little bun, and this is how I wear my hair a majority of the time. So yeah, we're laying our little baby hairs down with a comb because that's how I like to do it, as well as the little sideburn things. I don't really do those too often, but they're cute. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Once you have everything sleek the way that you like it, you're good to go. Okay, so we're on our mid ponytail, and we don't have to add a lot of products since we already did in our last style. So this is so basic. I'm just going through. I have my wet brush as well as my bristle brush, and I'm pulling my hair back into a ponytail. I really don't have any issue pulling my hair back into this ponytail if my hair is detangled. That's really the secret to a sleek ponytail, if you guys haven't noticed. But yeah, I added just a little gel. I was going to switch my baby hairs up because I don't typically wear them the same way with my top knots as I do, you know, when I wear a regular ponytail. But they were trying to give me issues, so I just said forget it. But I do use the same exact technique for my ponytail, only I take it up. Oh, well, I take it up when I do the top knot too. Interesting. I never even noticed that, guys. But yeah, I did the same exact motion. I pinned it. It's a really simple look, but I had something sticking up and it was really bothering me. And I did pin that piece of hair. I think it was a curl sticking up, maybe something that just wasn't bobby pinned correctly. But either way, the style is so cute, so sleek, very simple, so easy to accomplish. I probably wear this ponytail the least, but there's something about this style. It makes me come off a little model-ish. It's a real classy ponytail. What do you guys think? Don't I like a model here? I'm just playing. So the only difference in this ponytail and the previous ponytail is the fact that it's a little bit lower and it has a part down the middle. So what I did was I sprayed it to death because it began to dry. I don't know, my hair dries so quickly. But yeah, I'm now brushing it using my bristle brush as well as my wet brush from time to time, just making sure that this is going to be as sleek as I would like it. I'm also making sure that that part is straight. I'm also adding gel to my edges because I really want to make sure that this is laying down. You know, I'm not doing any baby hairs or anything like that. So I really want those edges laid, okay? I sprayed my ponytail a bit so I could get some definition, and I did the same exact motion for the ponytail that I used in the previous two. Very simple. And our style is done, y'all. So you see I took my comb because I'm really making sure that I lay that down. That's the way that I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I showed you guys a high ponytail, a mid ponytail, and a low ponytail. This is the way that I wear all three. So that wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. my high, mid, and low ponytail. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye.
But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.